Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go, and if you are not new, if you're just a part of my YouTube family, hi! Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. So today this video is going to be all about BoxyCharm. April's BoxyCharm box retails at $140, which is super awesome because I only paid $21 for it, which that's a great deal, and I am going to show you each product based off of how it would be applied. Mine got beat up by the postman. I don't know if he was angry and he threw it or somebody stuck their finger in it. That's what it looks like. They like tried to open it. Anyway, so this month's box is all about eye candy, and this look that I have created is all from this month's BoxyCharm items. So make sure you watch the full video, and you guys, if you have any ideas on videos for me to film, make sure you comment below. I love to read all of your comments. And let's get started. First item in my BoxyCharm box is this Dr. Brandt Vacuum Cleaner Pore Refining Cleanser. This retails at $47 and it is a 1-ounce tube. They say to apply a thin layer on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. When you squeeze it out of the tube, it is a cream-like gel that has little blue beads inside. They give a cooling effect. I guarantee that this product will unclog your pores and it will refine the size of the pores as well, along with removing any excess oil on your face. In my April box, I got this product from Tarte. It is the Tarteist Pro Glow. This tube retails at $29. It is a liquid highlighter that is buildable and created with rose water. It's also oil-free and you can wear it alone or wear it with other makeup. I got the shade Sparkle. It has no scent and I like to use this with my foundation. But you can also use it on your collarbones, on the high points of your cheeks, down your nose, anywhere that you want to add a little bit extra glow. Put some on the shoulders, works anywhere. So right now, with those two items, my box is valued at $76. That's an awesome deal because I only paid $21. Next, we are going to be taking a look at which palette I got in this month's box. It was a mystery because there was 5 different palettes that you could potentially get, and none of us knew which one we were getting, which I love a little bit of a surprise. All the palettes were from ColourPop, and as you know, I love ColourPop, so I was really hoping that I wasn't gonna get one that I already had, and it didn't, thankfully. So I got the You Had Me at Hello palette. This is a beautiful palette. It's full of 12 different shades, nudes and plums with some shimmery shades in there too. It's evenly distributed from mattes and shimmers, which is a plus. This palette retails at $18, and what I like about this one is it has the mirror. The cheaper palettes don't have the mirror, so I'm glad that this one does. It's a high quality mirror. I can see myself really well. And I'm excited to show you guys a eyeshadow look with this You Had Me at Hello. We're going to use the Knot as our base shade. So apply it all over the eyelid with a flat eyeshadow brush. For the lid, we are going to use Look-See and press it into the eyelid, focusing on the center of the lid. 2Ps is going to be our neutral blending shade. So just take a blending brush and blend into the crease of the eye and into the brow bone. We're just trying to make sure that there are no harsh lines in the shadow. Candy Graham is the color we are going to use for the inner corner of the eye. So just take a flat eyeshadow brush and lightly press the pigment into the corner of the eye. Sparks Fly is going to be used as a darker transition color for the crease of the eye. I used a flat, stiff brush to apply this color and then used my finger to blend it in a little bit. I didn't want to go for a full smoky eye, just a subtle transition in color. We are going to finish this look by picking up Look-See again and applying it to the brow bone and the inner corner of the eye. The next product I received is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks, designed to give you a quick, natural brow, which is perfect for me for when I am on the go. This retails at $22, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it. To finish this video up and complete this full face BoxyCharm look, I'm going to show you the last item in my box, which was the Adesi High Definition Liquid Lipstick. It is a nude rosy shade. It's luxurious with an intense pigment. It retails at $24. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, all that good stuff. I have used this lipstick before, and I'm just gonna say now, it really does dry out your lips. Even though it says that it's not going to do that, it does dry them out. So I highly recommend using a lip liner or something to protect your lips while you wear it. It's very durable while eating, while drinking, all of that. It just can be drying. So keep that in mind. But I will show you guys this beautiful shade. It has a nice soft applicator. I do not like that it's such a huge bottle. That's probably my least favorite part about it, just because it's really bulky and packaging's not the greatest. Color's nice. It has a glossy finish, beautiful shade. These are some of my favorite colors of lipstick, so I definitely appreciate that I got this. I just am not a huge fan of the packaging. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not a subscriber to BoxyCharm, I will post the link below that you can use so that you too can become a charmer. It's so fun to get it every month. I really look forward to that little extra surprise. I hope you enjoyed this video and this look. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. I love your comments. Please keep posting them, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.